Good morning, friends. Good morning, all of you, my subscriber. Today is my blog related to Ghazni Gate, also Agra Red Fort. Ghazni Gate 1030 AD is the originally belonged to the tomb of Mahmud Ghaznavi at Ghazni. It was brought from there by the British in 1842. Lord Alien through and the Governor General in historic pilgrimages climbed in these were the sandwood gates of Ismath, which Mahmud had taken to Ghazni 1025 in the British had thus avenged insults of 800 years back. This false calm was made just to win the goodwill of the Indian people. The gate in the fact made is the local deader wood in the Ghazni and not the sandwood. The style of the declarations of beyond the response in Saint Gujarat woodwork there also Arabic inscription carved in the upper part is the mention Mahmud with the Aptines and son John Marshall had placed where the notice board which describe in full episode about this gate. Each the 16-15 of a high and 13.5 feet broad in the weight is about half a ton. It's made the grammatical has longer Italian panels which have been fixed on with the help of other into the frame without rivets. The idea of restore the Samant was ultimately given had the gate was abandoned sign that is stored in Rome. Jahangir chain of justice, the spot where Mughal King Jahangir incited of the chain of justice. Jahangir is other in 1605 AD is the record of the rumor that the occasions of the first order to give was for the fostering up to the chain of justice so that those engaged in the administrator of justice should delay for practice here crossy in the arrived might come to this chain in the sake of it is the noise might attract my attention. It was made of the pure gold. It was 80 in length and had 60 bells. It was the one crown, one hand, and the fasted battlements. It was made of pure gold. It was the 80 in length, 16 bells. Its weight was the Culleton one and was fastened in the battlements. Saw Burj in the other and the stone post on the bank of the river. This is the not myth complimentary foreign travels and William Hackins personally say it was has been depicted and contrary painting made the imperial directly without fanfare the formality and immediately relief. There was the discretion of caste of grade between poor and rich. Jahangir is administrator of justice as Jahangir become the legend of Indian history. The Mohammedan Burj is the place of ceremony and largest bastions of Agra Fort on the river side. Facing the east of ordinarily built in red stone by Akbar who used the Jharokha Darshan Vizwal the fawn sun worship Adil Jahangir on the south side. Owing the acorn plant it was the called Mahmud Burj. It was has also maintained the Shahjahan Burj by person historian and foreigner travels. It is named Jasmine Tower Suman Burj. The slow water basin in the operator and previously involved to Dalan opens the court which is the captured projected by the jail screen in the North India side in series of rooms leading to Shah Mahal and the western side in the complaint Dalan with the room attacked on the same situation. Large complex entirely built in white marble. It was the deep niches of walls and break the main notary dots. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.